This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performances do not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk. There's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading.
Will Geisdorf here with your market wrap for Friday, January the 26th. Sales of new homes plunged in 2006 by the largest amount in 16 years as the nation's housing industry suffered through a sharp contraction after 5 boom years. However, there have been some signs that the steep slide in housing may be coming to an end. For December, new home sales were up 4.8%, the second strong gain after a 7.4% rise in November. In other news, orders for U.S.-made durable goods increased in December by the most in 3 months, reflecting more demand for business equipment, motor vehicles, and aircraft. The 3.1% rise followed a revised 2.2% gain in November. That was more than previously reported, the Commerce Department said today in Washington. Excluding transportation equipment, such as Boeing jet orders, we saw a 2.3% gain, the biggest since March of 2006. In earnings news, Caterpillar, the world's largest maker of heavy construction equipment, said Friday its fourth quarter profit rose 4% as higher operating costs partially offset strong sales. Diversified high-tech manufacturer Honeywell also released earnings, saying on Friday that its fourth quarter profit rose 14%, putting the company in a strong position to buy other firms. The profits matched the expectations of analysts surveyed by Thomson Financial, while revenues came in ahead of forecasts for $8.1 billion. Looking at next week's economic calendar, consumer confidence, fourth quarter GDP, Chicago PMI, the FOMC rate decision, ISM manufacturing, U.S. employment report, and the University of Michigan confidence survey will all be important releases. Earnings season is winding down with Canon, Verizon, 3M, Burger King, Harris, Juniper Networks, Kellogg, Procter & Gamble, SanDisk, Allstate, U.S. Airways, Computer Associates, Clorox, Deutsche Bank, Electronic Arts, NYSE Group, and Wendy's, the most important companies scheduled to release earnings. Shares in the world's largest automaker, General Motors, were a bit lower early Friday after investors weeded through an announcement that the car company will delay its 2006 year-end and fourth quarter financial reports because of accounting issues, but it's not expected to report a net profit in the fourth quarter thanks to improved performance in its automotive business. In other news, KB Home, the fifth largest U.S. home builder, said the Securities and Exchange Commission stepped up its investigation into the company's backdating of stock options. That means the SEC believes it's likely there was a violation of its rules, and it may use its authority to subpoena documents and compel testimony. This has been your Market Wrap. Have a great weekend.